So today we're going to be changing the carburetor on this Troy-built snowblower. So this is my mother-in-law's, and she brought it down to the local equipment repair place, and they wanted some astronomical price for the carburetor to be replaced. So I found one on Amazon, and I'm going to replace it here. The kit I bought actually comes with a new carburetor, new primer bulb, fuel filter, and spark plug. So I'm going to do all those things today. So the carburetor is located right here. And in order to get to that, we got to take off this panel. So there's a couple different screws or nuts. So you want to take off this one, this one, this one, this one, these two. And before you do that, you want to pull off the throttle lever, so you can take a pair of pliers and give that a pull, just like that. You're also going to want to pull the choke dial off of here. I'd use a little flathead to kind of pry it off. So I just realized that actually also to take this whole panel off, you have to pop this screw out, because there's a little lip in there that the piece goes into. So you gotta pull that screw out a little bit. Okay. So first I'm gonna actually replace the primer bulb. So you can probably take a little screwdriver and or a pair of pliers and just pinch those two together right there, and then pull the primer bulb off and replace it. New primer bulb installed. Pretty easy. So I'm going to disconnect this little this little pinch clip here, and then this will slide straight off, and then the new carburetor is just going to pull this whole unit off, and then a new one straight back on there. So just pulled off that paper gasket. I'm gonna put this one in right on here, and then we're gonna reinstall our new carburetor. This is what the old one looked like. Doesn't look too bad, but good to replace it anyway. Okay, so just put the new carburetor back on, and now we're gonna reinstall this panel here. We should be all set to go. Okay, with the panel back on, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put back on your choke lever, and then your throttle knob. Then we're gonna move over and work on the spark plug. So in order to take the boot off, just pull the boot off the spark plug, and then we're gonna access that, pull it out, put a new one in, and that'll wrap everything up. That's the old spark plug and the new spark plug. New one goes right in there, and then we're gonna put the boot back on, and then we are all done. All right, let's give it a pull and see what happens. So with that little quick tune-up, you should be all set for winter. Appreciate you watching the video. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.